Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 3, A Week with Sarah, we will be covering the section of phonics, in which we will learn about suffixes. So, open up page number 40 and let's get started. To know about suffixes, open up page number 40 and 41 and go through the pictures by yourself. Either read them by yourself or ask someone in your family to help you out. You may pause the video here and then carry on. Once you are done reading, let's come to the learning key. A suffix is a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word. An inflectional suffix doesn't change the meaning of the word. We add ing to show a continuous action and ed to show an action done in the past. Now let's do an activity. Make sentences using suffix ing and ed on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. I have made two sentences using ing and ed for you. The first sentence is Amina is cooking for her family. And the second sentence is Khadija and Ahmed stayed at their grandparents' house during the weekend. Similarly, make 5 sentences for each.